Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. Prepositions defined with pictures. A preposition shows the connection of a noun or a pronoun with another word. Please see the detailed explanations further. Prepositions underlined. The car parked outside at the side of, beside, close to, alongside, opposite to the building. Children between parents. The car leaving within an hour. Going across the road along the zebra crossing. Child holding mother by the hand. The man keeping guard over the area. The girl leaning against, resting on the signal, the lights above her. The man talking to with the woman in the corner. The dotted line dividing the road into two. The car in front of the bus, also beyond the bus. The boy on his bicycle beside by the traffic sign in a happy mood. The woman walking from the parking towards the car. The flag of Pakistan on top of or at the top of the building. The sun rising behind the buildings. The woman standing at the front looking at the notices outside the shop. Brothers going to buy from the market, going to enter it through the door. The man with a bag in his hand, absorbed in, fully attentive to the paper. The girl dancing to music. The man reading a newspaper, standing amidst in the midst of the people. The tree over above the bus. The driver within, inside the bus under, below, beneath the tree in its shade. Sitting in the back, getting on, going into, getting off, onto the road. The girl without, outside the car, resting against it, worried about it. The student at the bus stop, running wildly towards the bus despite books in his hands, climbing up and down the stairs.